Welcome to SmartyBits quiz about birds. The smallest bird in the world is peregrine falcon, robin, sparrow, or bee hummingbird. Bee hummingbird. Bird eats only with head upside down. Flamingo, swan, pelican or crane. Flamingo. Bird with a beard, wattle, snood is peacock, turkey, swan or pheasant. Turkey. Most popular wild bird in the UK is blackbird, starling, robin or sparrow. Robin. Which bird has the longest wingspan? Bald eagle, pelican, snowy albatross or vulture? Snowy albatross. What bird turns its head 270 degrees? Eagle, owl, parrot or crow? Owl. Which bird lays the largest eggs? Flamingo, kiwi, ostrich or albatross? Ostrich. Bird species in the world are about 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 or 25,000. 10,000. How many world penguin species? 8, 12, 18, or 25? 18. Beak color a male blackbird has? White, yellow, red or brown? Yellow. Well done. Please share, like and subscribe to SmartyBits on YouTube.